Out here today, January 11th, sitting in a field here. We got about 6 or 7 dozen goose decoys around us. We brushed in some layout blinds. We got a small pond behind us. We were hoping some ducks worked in this morning, but no such luck. We're going to get tucked in here now, and hopefully the geese make their way in.
Man, they're doing it perfect.
All right, it's 9:15 now. I think we have 8 birds. It's kind of hard. We got six blinds here. There's not much cover in this field, so they're kind of seeing us. We got to take our shots when we can. But other than that, I mean, birds are still flying in pretty consistent. So as long as the sun stays down, it stays pretty dark. We got a shot to shoot geese all day, so we'll see how it goes.
Oh, they're cupping right above us. Take them. Oh my goodness.
Kill him!
Could have caught that one.
All right, so we get back in? Oh, shoot that one.
We just crack at them? If they're close enough. Taking them or no?
Try him!
One, two, three. Are you serious?
Oh, that one.
Take care of some business there. 3.
Did we kill 3?
Yeah, there's 3 in the field.
Oh, nice.
I didn't think there was that many. And then
Yeah, I saw it.
I saw like a dozen. I was like, oh shit. And then like,
Dude, this one, look, did you get this one crash landed in the water?
that was awesome.
All right, it's just after 11 o'clock now. We're up to 17. We were gonna pick up about an hour ago, and then we had a group, and it's been pretty consistent since. So I don't know. We might sit here till dark.
Try him. Huh? Try him. Oh my god, they got 3. Okay, let it go. I cannot believe they got 3.
Hey, We should take these. No. Yeah.
Try them here.
Yes. No. Oh yeah, we got it. Yeah.
How are we?
See, today we mopped them up today. We got
All right, once again, we had a great day. They kind of filtered in throughout the whole day. It's a little afternoon right now, so one here, two there. It was a good one. We shot 20 total, and then 3 pigeons also. There's a barn behind us, and the pigeons were flying by all day. We've been pretty spoiled lately, so hopefully we can keep it rolling through the rest of January and into February. If you liked the video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram.